Life can feel expensive these days between the cost of living and the cost of housing. Inflation is out of control. Sometimes you may feel like you can barely afford to pay your regular expenses, let alone save. Can you imagine the opposite? Not paying to live somewhere but instead being paid to live there? This may sound too good to be true, but I'm here to tell you that it's not. Welcome to our video on the 10 countries that will pay you to live there right now. Yes, you heard that right. And no, this isn't a prank. Let's dive in. First up, Italy. Known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, and delicious food. Did you know some towns in Italy are paying people to move there? One such town is Ponga and Antikythira in southern Italy. Sure, we could talk about how it has beautiful architecture, stunning beaches, and amazing food, but I think you guys are here for another reason. Money. Ponga and Antikythira offers €30,000 to anyone willing to relocate, which for those of us who don't want to do the conversion in our head is about $32,000 USD. Seriously, I'm not kidding. Look it up for yourself. To be eligible, you need to purchase a home built before 1991 and make it your primary residence. Sounds intriguing, right? I'm sure you could think of some creative ways to make that work. The town aims to revitalize its historic center and attract new residents. Imagine renovating a charming Italian villa with that money. Plus, you'd be living in a beautiful part of the world with stunning scenery and delicious food. Next, let's move on to Canada. When you think of Canada, you might picture vast landscapes and friendly people. Certain provinces in Canada offer incentives to attract new residents, specifically those with a good education. Let's talk about Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan offers recent college graduates up to $15,000 back in income tax over 10 years. To qualify, you need to have graduated from an approved post-secondary institution within the last 7 years. This tax rebate is like getting a little bonus every year for being a resident. With Canada's high quality of life, affordable healthcare, and stunning natural beauty, this offer is appealing. If you're a recent graduate looking for a change of pace, Saskatchewan might be perfect for you. Now, let's jet set off to our next destination, Spain. Spain, celebrated for its vibrant culture and sunny beaches, is calling out to those seeking a change of scenery. The picturesque village of Ponga offers €3,000 to new residents. Additionally, they offer €3,200 for every baby born in the village. That's $3,500 USD per kid. So I know what you're asking. Why would they do that? What's the catch? Well, it's quite simple. With a population of only about 600, they are looking for people to come to Ponga and help boost the economy. To be eligible, you need to commit to living in Ponga for at least 5 years. Imagine waking up to fresh mountain air and strolling through quaint cobblestone streets. And if that doesn't sound appetizing to you, at least it gets you away from your in-laws. With financial assistance, you can focus on enjoying life to the fullest. Next stop on our global adventure, Chile. Get ready to spice things up in Chile. While they might not hand out cash directly, they've got something even better for aspiring entrepreneurs. Startup Chile offers $40,000 in equity-free funding to entrepreneurs accepted into their program. In addition to funding, they provide mentorship, access to a network of investors, and a 1-year visa. This comprehensive ecosystem helps startups thrive, making Chile a hotbed for innovation. If you have a groundbreaking business idea, pack your bags and head to Chile. With Startup Chile support, you'll have everything you need to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Now, let's hop across the Atlantic Ocean to our next destination, Ireland. Experience the luck of the Irish in Ireland, known for its breathtaking landscapes and warm hospitality. Ireland's appeal goes beyond its charm. It's also a haven for business owners due to its favorable tax policies. Ireland has long been known for its low corporate tax rates, attracting multinational companies. Even with recent adjustments, it remains one of the most competitive rates in the developed world. Ireland also offers other tax benefits, such as research and development tax credits and exemptions on capital gains tax. These incentives make Ireland an attractive location for businesses of all sizes. If you're an entrepreneur looking to expand internationally, Ireland should be at the top of your list. Now, let's hop over to our next destination. Croatia. Get ready to be swept away by the beauty of Croatia, known for its stunning Adriatic coastline and charming medieval towns. In the northern region lies the town of Legrad, offering homes for a mere 16 cents. Legrad also offers up to $4,000 towards home refurbishments. To be eligible, you need to demonstrate financial stability, be under 40 years old, and commit to living in Legrad for at least 15 years. They're looking for individuals and families ready to put down roots and become part of the community. If you're ready for a more affordable lifestyle, head to Legrad, Croatia. Next up, we're heading to the land of chocolate and cheese, Switzerland. Experience luxury and efficiency in Switzerland, known for its stunning alpine scenery and world-class chocolate. The village of Albanen offers approximately $27,000 per adult and $11,000 per child to new residents. To be eligible, you need to be under 45 years old, agree to stay for at least 10 years, and purchase a property worth a minimum of $214,000. They're looking for individuals and families serious about becoming part of their community. If you've ever dreamed of living in a Swiss chalet, now's your chance. Next stop on our global adventure, Taiwan. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and technological prowess of Taiwan. Taiwan has a high demand for English teachers and offers competitive salaries. Native English speakers can earn $2,000 to $3,000 per month teaching English. Taiwan offers a relatively affordable cost of living, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. It's an incredibly safe and convenient country with an efficient public transportation system. If you're a native English speaker with a thirst for adventure, Taiwan should be at the top of your list. Next up, we're heading back to Europe, to the beautiful country of Greece. Journey to Greece, a country steeped in history and natural beauty. The tiny island of Antikythira offers homes, land, and a monthly stipend to new residents. The monthly stipend of €500 or $545 you will receive for the first 3 years. That comes to roughly $20,000 of free money. Now, depending on your financial situation, that may not seem like a lot of money, but in this area of Greece, that will go a long way as it is very affordable to live here. They're looking for individuals and families ready to embrace island life and become part of their community. If you're ready to trade in traffic jams for turquoise waters, head to Antikythira. Last but not least, we're heading to the tropical paradise of Mauritius. Soak up the sun in Mauritius, known for its pristine beaches and luxurious resorts. The Mauritian government offers a grant of 20,000 Mauritian rupees to startups willing to relocate. Now, if you're like me, you have no idea what Mauritian rupees are, but don't worry. I looked it up, and that's about 430 American dollars. But that's only the beginning of what Mauritius has to offer. Mauritius offers a range of benefits for startups, including a favorable tax regime and a supportive ecosystem. To be eligible, you'll need to present your startup idea to a committee for approval. But don't worry, this committee is very easily won over and wanting to help. Mauritius is also known for its schools, amazing climate, and healthcare. If you're ready to turn your startup dreams into reality in a tropical paradise with amazing views and food, Mauritius is waiting for you. And there you have it, folks, the 10 countries that will pay you to live there. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a recent graduate, or simply looking for a change of pace, there's a country on this list that's perfect for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start packing your bags and get ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. But that's not all. If you're looking for even more affordable living options, be sure to check out my video, Best English-Speaking Countries to Retire, Live, or Visit Travel Guide, where we explore 10 tropical islands that don't break the bank. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Until next time, happy travels!